Today, take a look at VEVOR safety cones. Okay, so it does come with a little carrying pouch. And we got 2 of these safety cones. It's a little darker orange than that. I'm going to try to kind of duplicate the color. Looks something like that. Oh, it just pops out. And then we got this nice, fairly rigid road cone. So the base is rigid, and then just with the material being so light on the top, I don't think that there's going to be any worry of this thing falling over. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So the thing I like about this is that it packs up nice and neat. That way you could easily fit this thing just under the seat of your car. So we're looking at about 3 inches tall and about 9.5 inches wide. And there we go. I was actually a little worried that it wasn't going to be very reflective, but there is no way you're going to miss that thing. That thing stands out. That's awesome. Those are some very nice road cones.